Miss Haley something. Hey, Miss Haley! Miss Haley! Maybe she's on the other side. Maybe she's, like, by recess. Hey, Miss Haley! Miss Haley! Where are you? Oh, I'm right here. Oh. Hi. Hey, Red, what are you doing out? What are you doing out? Well, you see, I'm very confused who the heck is Darkwatcher. We don't talk about him. Why? Rocket, do you want to explain why? Because he's a nightmare. That's not, oh my gosh. Rocket, that's not why. Of course it is, bro. Goodness gracious. I'm just very confused who he is. Oh, Red. Oh, so you gotta learn this on your own.
We don't talk about Bruno, no, no, no. We don't talk about Bruno. But it was my wedding day. We were getting ready and there wasn't a cloud in the sky.
No clouds allowed in the sky.
Bruno walks in with a mischievous grin.
Thunder.
You telling this story or am I?
I'm sorry, mi vida go on.
Bruno says it looks like rain.
Where's the
In
guitar?
doing so, he floods my brain.
Abuela que the umbrella.
Reading a hurricane.
What a joyous day, but anyway,
We don't talk about Bruno.
no, no, no. We don't talk about Bruno.
You to live in fear, Bruno stuttering or stumbling. I can always hear him sort of muttering and mumbling. I associate him with the sound of falling sand. The heavy lift with the grip so humbling. Always like Abuela in the family fumbling. Battling with prophecies they couldn't understand. Do you understand? Understand?
7 foot frame, right so long is bad. When he calls your name, it all fades to black. Yeah, he sees your dreams, feasts on your screams. We don't talk about Bruno, no, no, no. We don't talk about Bruno. About Bruno, no, no, no. We don't talk about Bruno.
He told me my fish would die the next day.
No, no. Told me I'd grow a gut, and just like you said, he said that I blow my head with this beard. Now look at my head.
Afraid to sin when your prophecy is read. Told me that the life of my dreams would be promised and someday be mine. He told me that my power would grow like the grapes that thrive on the vine.
Oye, Mariano son his
He
way.
told me that the man of my dreams would be just out of reach, betrothed to another. It's like I hear him. He says, I want not a sound out of love. I can hear him now. Bruno. Yeah, about that Bruno. I really need to know about Bruno. Give me the truth and the whole truth, Bruno. He's a time for dinner. It's my wedding day. It's ready and he calls the sound in the sky. He's going to sing this song. You guys are Why did I talk about Bruno? Never said Bruno.
And that's it for now. I don't know why I didn't know him at first, but now I do. I understand why they told me not to talk about him, because he's evil. Oh, I didn't know that. Did they hate you when you said that? No, they were just being serious and telling me not to talk about him, but I was still curious at him at first when I was little. Especially when you grown into an adult. Pretty much, yeah. I was so curious. Sometimes curiosity can lead to danger. How do you know that? Did Queen Hope tell you that? No. It reminded me of something my mother used to say before I died. Oh. Wow. She said that to you? Yeah. She said that to me before I came back to life. So yeah, she said that to me before I died and before I came back to life. So yeah. Well, it was nice visiting you. I could literally use a friend now. No problem. You can always call me if you want to talk to me. Then I'll talk to you. Okay? Alright. Goodbye. Ugh, finally. I got some food. Ugh, starving as hell. Ugh. Well, I'm gonna check on Poison, Fire, and Predator and Blood, see how they're doing. Well, I'm just gonna check on them real quick before I eat this. Oh, that's hot, that's hot. Jesus. Oh my god. Okay, yeah. I might want to dodge that. Hot. That's hot. I wish Dark Order had a fireproof potion. If he had that. Well, luckily he just stole a fireproof potion from Mysticals. What the hell? Oh, well, hello, Predator. Where's Fire? He's like, having a talk with Poison and Blood. Oh, really? And what about you? Guarding the prisoners that I hypnotized. Alright, Dark Order gave you a freaking hypnotizing potion. Ooh. Is that meat you're holding? Oh my god. No, Predator, you're not taking this. It's mine. Come on, I'm hungry. I haven't eaten anything. I've been guarding these guys for like, what time is it? It's like, it's 1 p.m. So I missed lunch. Yeah, you did. I'm so hungry. Fine, just take it and eat it. I'm not giving you another one. Okay? Even if you see it in my damn beak. Okay? Jeez.